Hello, today we will guide you through how to upload W2 to H&R Block. In this walkthrough, we'll start from the H&R Block DIY main menu and move step by step to get your W2 into your return. Keep your W2 PDF handy, and if you only have a paper copy, make sure any scan you create is clear and legible, with all corners visible and no shadows. Begin on the main menu of your H&R Block online return. First, open the Overview section. This area gives you a quick snapshot of your progress and helps ensure you're in the right place before you begin making changes. It's a good habit to start here so you can confirm the current status of your federal return and see what the software expects next. Next, go to Federal. This is where you'll enter your income and deductions for your federal taxes. If you see the option to go to the beginning of My Return, choose it. This helps align the interview and puts you at a clean starting point, especially if you've clicked around previously. When prompted, select Next to proceed through the initial screens until you reach the point where income items can be added. Now open the Income section. This is where all income sources are organized. Choose Add another income type. Even if you haven't added any income yet, this is the path that allows you to select the correct form. If a list appears, scroll down to view more options. You should also see a search field. Type W2 into the search box to quickly find the right entry. When you see W2 wages, salaries, and tips, select it. This launches the guided W2 workflow designed to capture everything exactly as it appears on your form. From here, follow the on-screen procedure until you reach the W2 PDF upload option. The software may first ask a few questions to confirm that you're adding a W2 for the correct tax year and household member. When the upload screen appears, choose your W2 PDF and let the system read it. After upload, carefully review each field it fills in against your document, including dollar amounts and employer details, and correct anything that doesn't match. If the system can't read your file, you can continue through the same screens and enter the information manually. If you have more than one W2, you can repeat this same path to add each one. Remember to save as you go and wait for any confirmation messages before moving forward. When everything looks accurate, continue through the prompts to finish this section. That's it. Your W2 is now uploaded to H&R Block.